So for these little leaves, ferns, we're going to do secondary green and Caribbean Sunsplash. So you've got like a nice green and yellow. Going to do a little bit on the nail. Going to double dip these. Lightest colour first, then your dark colour. Always do the light colour first. And as you press these, they will start to blend. If you want them to blend anymore, if you want to add colour, you can just pick a little bit up. See how I just pick that bit up there, add it down the centre. Just going to press that out. Add a little bit more green. Just use your brush that's a little bit damp, and you can always add some by painting it on. If you get a sculpting form and fold over the centre tab, you can use it like a blade and go into the leaf shape and add loads and loads of little creases. Just going to wet underneath that and give it a little bit of a bend. Add a tiny bit of yellow, just so I know that's connected to the nail nice, so it's secure. And then we're going to make a couple of these off the nail. So lighter colour first. Show you what happens if you go dark first. Dark, light. You can't hardly see the yellow. Now if you go, it saturates. The dark colour will saturate the paler colour. So you go into your pale colour first, and then into your dark colour. Press that, you can see how it's blending. Use your little tab. It's a good little tool, disposable as well, just to add lots of little creases. If you need more time, you can use the medium speed liquid if you feel like it goes too quick. Press it out so it blends. Bring it into a rough shape. I'm going to pick up this first one. So with a damp brush, gently peel it from the backing. Just going to wet with the brush where it's going. So it will stick better. Same with this one. It's wet where you're going to put it. Roll it off your brush. Use your brush to manoeuvre it where you want to put it. I'm just going to add another one down this side. Use your little tool we made. Press in. Just folding that a little bit. So give it a bit of movement. I'm just going to add a few stones. Okay, to add the bullion balls, we're going to use some of the Top Gel Sealer. I'm going to add a little bit where I want them to go. Then I'm going to go straight in, pick them up, place them on. Make sure they've all got the gel on, else you'll start to lose some of them. Then we're going to put a few gems on, also using the gel. Then we can cure that in the lamp. So now that's dry. All I'm going to do now is add a little bit of detail to the bowels using a little bit of white paint. It'll just highlight the bowels a little bit more. Give them a little bit of definition. You can even do the same on the little leaves, a little tiny bit. To keep that paint on, we're just going to brush over with a little bit of nail glue, and that'll just keep that on. Don't go too mad with it. All we need to do now is add a bit of cuticle oil, and you've got your Jingle Bell nail. And you've got your Christmas bells.